Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to continue with putting the interior back together. So today I'm going to pop in the rear quarter panel. So I'm going to show you what I did to them before we install them. Okay, so I tried installing the rear quarter panels and I figured out really quickly that there was no way they were going to go in without being trimmed up a little bit. I just didn't have the room or the flexibility in the panel to get around the roll bars. So what I ended up doing was I trimmed the panel along the bottom here for clearance purposes, and then to accommodate the mini tub, I trimmed the panel along this line here and followed it up. So I will still be able to connect the lower little panel piece here. And then once both are in the car, I'm going to figure out a little filler piece just to close everything in. So I'm hoping it's going to look okay and work out. So let's give it a go. Before I installed the rear quarter panel, I ended up changing the nuts on the rear quarter window here. If you haven't done those before, be careful. Don't over tighten them because you will pull a stud right through. So you just want to snug them up. I usually start in the middle and then I work my way out to the edges. So I'm going to get that done and then get back to the quarter panel. See what we can do here. Alright, one in. Okay, so the rear quarters are in. I think they came out pretty good considering what I had to work around. So I haven't fastened them down or anything. I just want to give you a visual of what it looked like. Okay, so I got the rear quarter panels in. They're not fastened or screwed down, but I can finish that up another time. That was enough twisting and turning of the body for one day. So guys, I appreciate the support. If you could subscribe to the channel, that would be great. And of course, thanks for watching. You gonna say hi? Say hi.